Today we will discuss energy operator. Energy operator, that is total energy. Now for that we are considering, let the wave function of a particle moving, that is free particle, moving in the positive x direction is given by psi xt equal to a e to the power I kx minus omega t. Now differentiating psi with respect to t, a e to the power I kx minus omega t into minus I omega. Now multiplying both sides by IH cross del psi by del t. H cross means h by 2 pi. What is this value? This is equal to psi a to the power I kx minus omega t, that is equal to psi xt minus I omega into IH cross. So what remains? Psi xt I square equal to minus 1 and minus this minus, so plus, so h cross omega. So the expression IH cross del psi by del t equal to psi xt h cross omega. Now E equal to h nu, that is h by 2 pi into 2 pi nu. So what is this? This is h cross, this is equal to h cross, and this is equal to omega. So we can represent that energy equal to h cross omega. Now come to here. Now IH cross del psi by del t, psi is a function of xt, that we are getting as E psi xt. Now compare this equation. Both side, if you compare both side, then what you will get? E equal to IH cross del t, that you will get E equal to IH cross del t. So here E, energy operator, equal to IH cross del t. So this is quantum mechanical operator in terms of energy. Now if we want to find out kinetic energy operator, then we know the momentum operator in one dimension, that is h cross by I del x. Now kinetic energy operator, that is equal to what? E equal to p square by 2m. In one dimension, what is kinetic energy operator? In one dimension, what is this? That is p square. So here p square by 2m. So here p's value is given in one dimension. So if you write, then you will get minus h cross o square by 2m del 2 by del x square. This is along x direction. Now along y direction, what is the operator? That is minus h cross o square by 2m del 2 by del y square. And along z direction, it is minus h cross o square by 2m del 2 by del z square. Now kinetic energy operator in 3 dimension, this is equal to minus h cross o square by 2m del 2 by del x square plus del 2 by del y square plus del 2 by del z square. What is this? This is minus h cross square by 2m into grad square. So this is kinetic energy operator in 3 dimension. So this is kinetic energy operator in 3 dimension, and this is kinetic energy operator in 1 dimension. This is along y direction, this is along z, and this is along x direction. Now we are going to prove angular momentum operator. We know L equal to R cross P. Now R equal to xi hat plus yj hat plus zk hat, and L equal to Lxi hat plus Lyj hat plus Lzk hat, and P equal to I hat Px plus j hat Py plus k hat Pz. Now L equal to what? I hat, j hat, k hat, x, y, z. Then px, py, pz. So Lx equal to what? Lx equal to ypz minus zpy. Ypz minus zpy. Ly equal to what? Ly equal to zpx minus xpz. Zpx minus xpz. And Lz equal to what? xpy minus ypx. xpy minus ypx. Now put the values here. Px, py, pz. Y h cross by I del del z minus z h cross by I del del y. So what you are getting? H cross by I y del del z minus z del del y. What you are getting here? H cross by I z del del x minus x del del z, and here h cross by I outside, that is x del del y minus y del del x. So these are all the values of angular momentum operator along x direction. This is equal to this angular momentum operator along y direction. This is equal to this, and this is angular momentum operator along z direction. This is equal to this. So total we know here today, that is the energy operator, kinetic energy operator, and angular momentum operator in 1 dimension and 3 dimension.